but we're gonna try it. Hope it fixes that chirping noise. Let's see. It's a new one. It kind of looks new, I guess. So the center doesn't move, just the outside moves. Cool. Let's try it. It is that pulley. I think. Right. So I do not think that this is the problem because it's not making any noise. We're gonna change it anyway. This truck has 170,000 miles. Might as well change it. I love sticking my hands places that's hot, so I just got out the truck and you see that big burn mark? That's terrible. I keep burning myself for some reason. Come out of there. This is a little hot. But it doesn't look bad. Grab the new one. Boom. There it is. Cool. Stick the new one back in here. Let's see. Ooh, that's hot.